How to fix email not working on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on search button on top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on search button on top right corner of your screen, simply type in apps in this way. Then you'll find apps and notification. Click on apps and notification. In here, click on Gmail. Open Gmail and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Force stop the app. Then click on storage and cache, which is below permission. Clear cache and clear storage. After you've done that, you can simply restart your device, log into your Gmail again, and you're good to go. This is how to fix email not working on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more, got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.